So guys, today I'm going to show you a lazy day oats banana cookie recipe. Yes, for those days that we want something simple and fast but still delicious. This is super easy. We're gonna mash the bananas in a bowl until we get a puree. If you would like to fill small pieces of bananas in your cookies, you just leave it like this. The next step, we are gonna add the oats to the bananas and mix everything together. If you want to make different flavors of cookies, you just need to split the mixture. I split it in two, one for chocolate chips and the other for dry cranberries. Now we are going to spread a little bit of coconut oil all over our baking sheet. With a spoon, we are gonna grab small portions of our dough and place the cookies in the sheet. Take your time to shape them, because as they go into the oven, they come out, same size and shape. And that's it guys, perfect cookies for a lazy day. You can be creative and use whatever other dry fruit of your preference or even nuts, it will taste amazing. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.